Yo guys, Tyler here, and welcome back to another video. And two things have changed with my car. If you can't tell, I got tint in the front again, just how I used to. Oh, it just closed. Wheels, and then I got my muffler. There we go. Thank God. It freaking is so awesome. Oh my god. This place, Muffler Tech, I really recommend them. They did a very good and thorough job with their work. And then, so I had to drive 2 hours from South San Francisco to Sacramento to this place. The reason why? Because they're really trustworthy and I don't regret anything I did with them. So first off, I drove here. I don't think my wheels have TPS sensors because while I was driving, every couple, like maybe every 50 miles or something, the tire pressure light would go on and then I would go to the gas station and check, but it wasn't like flat or anything. But yeah, so when I got there, I was the first one. They started working on my car. So there was an old flange, a stock flange, right? I don't know if you guys can see, but there was a stock flange, and then I wanted to get a muffler delete that I could take off and on because of the Vsxx ticket, and then. So we worked that out, we cut it before it, and then they made a flange so I could take that off and on. And then with the stock muffler, wait, hold on, let me take the keys out because I don't want anyone to freaking steal my car. So with the stock muffler, as you can see, they made a flange for me and a pipe, so that like if I need to switch it out, I could just do it really easily on my own at home and not have to come back. And yeah, and then the tips, they did a really good job on like doing it, because the previous people who did my muffler delete did a horrible job. Oh my god. Like the tips, I don't know how to explain it, but they just did a really bad job. And then these Muffler Tech like thought they couldn't do it, but they actually did. Really appreciate it. And then yeah, it sounds pretty good. Maybe I'll give you a look or sound at my car right now. I didn't want to rev it too loud because there's people around me. And yeah guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Cars and Coffee tomorrow.